As you enter this lovely condo unit in Four Seasons of Virginia Crossing, Four Seasons in Woodbridge, Virginia, you will see to your right is the half bath. And this unit has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So here's the half bath as you enter. Very high ceilings, which is really nice. The foyer has hardwood floors. And as you continue through the unit, to your left is, I guess you would say, the primary bedroom because it's very big. And it has plenty of storage space. Walk-in closet there. Another walk-in closet, which is very big. And then as you enter into the primary bedroom, here is the bathroom. Very large, double sinks as you see. Very nice shower with the black brass. Huge, huge, huge sink. There's the tub, and of course, I don't have to tell you what that is. You know what that is. But like I said, this place is big. All the bathrooms, all the rooms. We continue to the primary bedroom. You see there's a large window. The bedroom is huge. Not only that, the primary bedroom has a door that leads out onto the balcony. We go back into the entrance area. Next to the half bath is the laundry room slash utility room. 2 full-size stackable washer and dryer. Here's the second bedroom, which is a very good size as well. And the great thing is, the second bedroom has its own bathroom. It doesn't have a separate shower, but it does have a shower and bath. Has the subway tiles back there. But it is a great size. Also a large walk-in closet. Ta-da! And here is the lovely large kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space, folks. Now, even if you don't want to cook or you don't like to cook, this would at least make you want to use the built-in microwave and warm up something just to enjoy the kitchen. As the teardrop lights, as well as recessed lighting in the ceiling. Plenty of light, large island there, stainless steel appliances. It has the farmhouse deep sink. Love this. Then, as you're in the kitchen, either warming up in the microwave or cooking in the oven, you can see your guests here. Large area here. You can do a small table here, have your living room there. Plenty of light in this area. You don't have to worry about the winter depression because you got plenty of light coming into your living room. And like the primary bedroom, there's also here the entrance to the balcony from the living room as well as the spare room. Here's a different view of the kitchen from the living room area. Isn't that nice? And I know you're probably saying, yeah, it's nice, but how much is it? We'll get there in a moment. Now, here's another room. You could use it for an office or a small den or reading room. You know, it's yours, whatever you want to use it for. But it has plenty of light. Once again, it has an entrance to the balcony. And it has French doors. So folks, this is 1,811 square feet, a very nice size, I must say so. And it's listed for just under $560,000. Now it's a condo, so there is a condo fee, and this also has an HOA fee. The condo fee is $350 monthly, and the HOA fee is $125 quarterly. So I'll let you do the math on that for the monthly extra cost there. But nonetheless, this is such a nice community. I'm gonna let you look out the window here from the kitchen. And it also, along with condos, it also has the little cottage-style units. Once again, where am I? I am, there's another view of from the window there. So, where am I? I am on the peninsula, Lintnick Peninsula, between the Occoquan and the Potomac River, 20 miles south of Washington, D.C. 55 plus community. You know, sometimes you just get tired of doing yard work or, you know, cleaning a large house. This is for you. Let me know. I'm here to help. I got your back.